Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech free T4 Elisa test kit. Just show you around the box. You can see this here. There's the top and bottom. There's the side. You can see this here. It says Calbiotech free T4 Elisa test kit. You have the reference part number. There's a lot number and you got the manufacturing date and expiry date. It's a 96 well kit, plate kit, and to storage temperature 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and CIVD certified product. It is manufactured in the US. You also have the contents inside the bag. Okay, I'm just going to unbox this for you. Here you go. The unboxing. Okay, you get an IFE brochure. You can see this here. It says Calbiotech free Thyroxine FT4 Elisa test kit. The Calbiotech FT4 Elisa kit is used for the quantitative measurement of free Thyroxine in human serum. That's FT4 in human serum. Actually, in this you get this IFE brochure gives you the key contents inside. Also, it's listed here. And you can see the summary of this test, and this brochure has complete details about your assay procedure. Just want to show it to you. You can see it says the assay procedure and specimen collection assay procedure. You can see the results, calculation, interpretation, the limitations of the test. You get the complete details to complete your test. And the inside you have a certificate of analysis for this particular kit. You can see the certificate of analysis with the catalog number and the expiry period, and then you have the kit name along with the lot number. On a standard, if you look at in this kit, it contains I just listed the contents inside. You have the microwells coated with streptavidin, and you have the FT4 standard 1 to 6, and you have anti-T4 biotin solution, FT4 enzyme conjugate 1 bottle, TMB substrate 1 bottle, stop solution 1 bottle, and wash concentrate. Let me put this here and keep it. Okay. And then inside you can see there is 196 well plate. Let me take it out. Take this out. Yeah, you can go through this. You can take a look. This is the 96 well plate. You can see this here. 96 well plate which says streptavidin coated wells 96 well with the reference number. And inside you can see the bottles here with the solution, bottles and the vials. I'll just go one by one. If you look at this one is you can see this here. This is the wash concentrate, 25 ml bottle. I'm putting it back, and then you have okay, it's quite this paper. The way this paper is designed, it's very thin, but it's difficult to take sometimes. It's out. Okay, I've taken this off. Then you have the TMB substrate 12 ml. Putting it back here. Okay, let me organize this here. Okay, and then you have the red cap. This is FT4 enzyme conjugate. You can see this is 7 ml. And there's one white cap. This is stop solution 12 ml, and the blue one, which is the anti-T4 biotin solution 7 ml bottle. You can see this here. Okay. Then you have another 6 vials. Just quickly take this off. You can see this here. It says FT4 standard 1. 0.5 ml. Putting it back. You can see FT4 standard 4. Probably okay. And FT4 standard 3. FT4 standard 2. Okay, and FT4 standard 5. FT4 standard 6. Okay, and this is how the box looks like. Quickly to summarize here, today we're seeing the unboxing of Calbiotech FT4 Elisa test kit, and in the 96 well plate kit you get one IFU brochure, one certificate of analysis, one 96 well plate, and all the solutions required for the test, which is the FT4 standard 1 to 6, and then you get anti-T4 biotin solution and T4 FT4 enzyme conjugate 1 bottle and TMB substrate 1 bottle, stop solution 1 bottle, and wash concentrate 20x bottle 1. So these are the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.